Hi everyone, my name is Monica Hall, and the agency that I am doing my internship with this semester is in outpatient counseling for senior citizens. I may also be seeing adults over, 18 and older because they've just picked up that population as well. Um, so I am hoping to get a better feel for individual counseling and trying, to practice using the theories and the interventions that we've learned so far. It is the direction I wanted to go toward. So I thought this would be the best way to get experience and practice while working under someone who can guide me and correct me if I do something wrong, or just help help me figure out how to do individual therapy. Um, so this field placement is very different than my last one. I worked with children and teachers in classrooms, and so this is more just working with the older population, which I like, and I do like the adult population. So I do know that I have to get much more educated as far as things and stresses that affect the older adult population. And my role will be much more interactive um, with the client themselves. So I expect a lot more client interaction, um, just much more one-on-one activity. So, and it's a huge change because all of my other, even the last internship seemed a bit more case management as opposed to this. This is offering individualized therapy. So I am very nervous and excited at the same time. So I am looking forward to see how I grow during this internship. So I wish you guys all the best of luck. Thanks.